Good morning everyone. One again we are again started our SS class. So all of you get ready for it. Let's start. So the first one is write all of you RW and today we are going to do the combined work as we do. Write the heading, name it. Name it. Okay, to write name it. We are going to do this work in our SS notebook. So the first one is your postman brings me to you. First question, your postman brings me to you. So the first answer you have to write here. First answer. Next, I help people send emails. Question number second. I help people send email. So you have to write here the correct answer of it. Okay. Next. So what is the first question? The first question is your postman bring me to you. What the postman bring? Okay. To us. What postman brings to us. Second question. I help people send email. Who help people to send the emails? Next is they twinkle in the sky. Third, they twinkle in the sky. Okay, so you have to write the answers. Who twinkle in the sky? Okay, so they twinkle in the sky. Next question. Plants need it to make food. Banana. The third. Fourth. Plants need it to make food. Plants need it to make food. Okay. So these are the 4 questions you have to read first, then we will do the answer of it. Okay. So the first question is your postman bring me to you. What your postman bring for you? First question is your postman bring me to you. Next is I help people send email. Who help the people to send the email? Okay. So who help the people to send the email? Third is they twinkle in the sky. Who twinkle in the sky? So the third question is they twinkle in the sky. Next, plant need it to make food. Why plant need to make food? What's plant need to make food? So the first one is your postman bring me to you. What's postman bring to us? For us. The postman brings us letters. Right? So the first answer is letter. 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 The postman brings letter to us. Next, I help people send email. who help people to send emails. So I help people to send email. Who help the people to send email? That is computer. 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 Computer help people to send the emails. Next, they twinkle in the sky. Who twinkle in the sky? We all know one poem, that is Twinkle Twinkle Little Stars. Okay, so they twinkle in the sky. So the stars twinkle in the sky. Stars. STAR. Stars or stars. Next, last is plant need it to make food. What plant need to make food? Plant need sunlight to make food. Sunlight. 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 Plant needs sunlight to make food. All of you note this first, then we will do 2 more questions. Okay, so all of you do this.
अब मैं खाना पका लेंगे पानी आएगा तो पा दो हम ठंडे पानी से धोए गए हमारे पास भी आप आ दो
All of you note this.
एक रुपया हटाएंगे उसे नहीं
Okay, so I hope you all have done this. Now we are going to do the question number 4 and 5. Now we are going to do the question number 4 and 5. Fourth one is they bring rain. No, the fourth one is its changing shape are known as its phases. Fourth, its changing shapes are known as its phases. Its phases. So you have to write this answer. Its changing phases are known as its phases. Next is he grow food for us. Fifth. Last is he grow food for us. For us. Okay. So the first one, its changing. Fourth one is its changing shape are known as its phases. Whose changing phases are known as its phases? That name is. That name is. That name is moon. And OON. Moon. Next, he grow food for us. Who grow food for us? Of course, the farmer. 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 So we have completed it. So what is the fourth question? Its changing phases are known as. Its changing shapes are known as its phases. That is moon. Next, fifth, he grow food for us. So who grow food for us? That is farmer. FARMER. So you have to write this too in your notebook and do the practice the revision work daily. Okay. So that's all for today's work. Thank you and have a nice day.